Hello dear friends, this is Aditi from Aditi Storyteller channel. So today we're going to do the experiment balloon blow up. Inflate a balloon without touching it. You will need a small drink bottle, a balloon and baking soda, some vinegar, funnel and teaspoons. Now, using the funnel, we have to pour the vinegar inside the bottle. And we should also put the baking soda inside the balloon. With the help of an adult supervision, first you have to put the balloon inside the bottle's mouth. Then suddenly the balloon will expand. Gas balloon. When the baking soda and the vinegar mix together, they create a gas called carbon dioxide. All gases expand to fill any space available. So, the carbon dioxide inflates the balloon. Now, I am going to show you how I did the same experiment.